You
are the light in my darkest night. Your love shines like a beacon so bright. Through the storms and the trials we face, in your arms
took me some my home.
Always love you, forever hold you tight. Together we'll conquer any fight.
Muna yung mga tsakto dat. Muna yung tsakto dat. No? Unag yun. Ulihi pa. Birthday mi dire oh. May birthday dire.
Birthday.
Dire. Ay tol.
Always love you, forever hold you tight. Together we'll conquer any fight. In your embrace I feel so alive. Forever with you my love will survive. In the whispers of the wind I hear your name. In the stars above our love will proclaim. Side by side we'll face the unknown. In your love I've truly grown. Always love you, forever hold you tight. Together we'll conquer any fight. In your embrace I feel so alive. Forever with you my love. You are the light in my darkest night. Your love shines like a beacon so bright. Through the storms and the trials we face, in your arms I find my safe place. Always love you, forever hold you tight. Together we'll
Mommy Joy, did you
Na birthday mi dire.
Mommy Joy, did you know yesterday
You are the light in my darkest night. Your love shines like a beacon so bright. Through the storms and the trials we face, in your arms I find my safe place. Always love you, forever hold you tight. Together we'll conquer any fight. In your embrace I feel so alive. Forever with you my love will survive. Every moment with you is a treasure. In your eyes I find my pleasure. Hand in hand we'll walk the path ahead. With you by my side I have no dread. Always love you, forever hold you tight. Together we'll conquer any fight. In your embrace I feel so alive. Forever with you my love will survive. In the whispers of the wind I hear your name.
Ang food.
Alis ko na.
Sibas. Happy birthday to
Thank you sa
you.
food. Thank you sa food. Thank you sa food.
Look at Ate. Ate is not using the phone. No one.
Kung tayo magmukbang.
There. No.
Dito tayo.
Pasado ko.
Then
Tama.
Ano yung food, guys? Lagi naman ako.
Pag may sauce sa pinirito siguro.
Oh, pinili ko na.
Butter. Where's your glass? Come here.
Ah,
Hmm. Hmm.
Elefanto, elefanto.
Dami na nga kwan. Dami na yung
How am I going to go?
Give your.
Dami ang pagka-cream sa tom yum lang.
Oh. So okay naman para sa ato, okay lang halang sa mga bata. Hindi sila kwan bata. Dahil tayo.
Mommy, can you give me a Daddy, what fish is this?
The big one. Sea bass. That's yummy.
Ooh, I know this sea bass.
Gusto mo na yung mukha ko ng boy. Ay,
Ito ko buong ikot eh. Ito na may gata. Tulo?
So naglungag pa.
Daddy, this fish is a sea bass.
tururan nila ang lahat ng
A fish. This kind of fish. Yes, you did.
Sea bass.
I don't eat fish anymore because my ear will become bigger every time I eat them. That will make you more allergy. That will make you more allergy. Okay. That donut. What is a donut? A donut. Huh?
Ang laman na ako.
Is this the same fish?
But this one is steam. Kasi katong sauce nga tong green ban. Na.
Aggie,
Di, mga yung ig.
I see a fish with the still have the
Oh, oh.
white eyes.
Yeah.
Sa katong pan.
Hala, sorry kayo di. Nagdama
Yeah.
na video di
Yeah.
lagi.
No problem.
Nakadako, isda ako rin mo yan.
Kung nag-views kay,
Dami ang kwan ba ang sabaw niya.
Thank you.
Sakto ang pagka kwan ba.
Oh yeah, there's a bit spicy.
Ang tom yum.
may kinakubaw kay. Murag, pan ba? Lasa kayo ang broth sa
Tom yum.
shrimp roll. Dugay ito bukaran ito.
It's wrong side.
This one get not spicy, get the
If
fish.
you see this thing, Fuji, if you see this thing, Fuji, you're using it in the wrong side. You're drinking it like
Sila, nasa
this
dito?
upside down.
Oh,
Meron silang ano doon, malaking ganito.
dako kan kayo, oh. Ang kwan ba.
Pero ang ila, dako kayo nga inanak.
Oh,
Pero kini mo nakuha.
tsak to idig halang ba.
Wala niagi yung kanang kan ba.
Galak.
Papa,
Susim galak.
are we going
Ang nahalangan sila sa kuwan daw,
Yeah,
sa baw.
after here.
Pero okay naman sa, wala man.
to a carnival with a big and scary one? I guess a
Pera kami.
Japanese also.
Dami rice no? Ubat mo itong gyurod ba? Siguro may gata sila.
Carnival! Ay, ay, ay!
Siguro may gata
We're
na.
already going there today.
Cup, sorry.
One more.
Are we going there?
Cup, I ordered how many rice? 3 or 4?
Yes.
4?
Fried chicken,
No, rice.
Rice.
right? All four. Okay.
Yeah,
We have only 3.
they gave us a message.
All three. Oh,
Yeah, one more. One more, iduha na lang.
sorry.
Cup, sorry, cup. One more.
Yep.
So, all in all is 6.
Five.
Sorry, 5.
Right.
Have 3,
Additional,
right? Have 3, so
additional two.
firm song.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
And เดินไปบอกพี่เต้
Kay. Lahi kita. Lahi
สวัสดีครับสวัสดีครับ
lahi kita kinalaan sila hayod.
Wala pa kanilang manok.
Bala ng manok ay. Gidakop. Gidako pa tong manok. Oh, check it siya. Tap. Tapon ka.
Hey, Boji, that is for me. No, that is for me.
We will buy that one.
Oh.
This one is yours, baby. Oh.
Why did you put it here?
Yan yung isda niya mo. Isda ah.
Thank you.
Iabot sila pikas po.
It's made of chocolate.
It's made of chocolate. Ang suya mi dong eh.
Durang gubok manok ilang yatag. Nagsigil pa ako bayan.
Ginay-ginay lang. Kumanda sila mag-close sila po.
Kita man sa oras dili gabi. Ang gabi ipod.
Dito mo tayo nakabutang dito sila kan.
Alas 10.
Who put more rice?